everybody. Sa mga kaedad namin dyan. Alright. Sing a song. I don't wanna wait and wait for your love. Nag-grip na. I don't wanna wait and wait for your love. From the very first time I rest my eyes on you, my heart says follow through. But I know now that I'm way down on your line. But the waiting feeling is fine. So don't treat me like a puppet on a string. 'Cause I know how to do my thing. Don't talk to me as if you think I'm dumb. I wanna know when you're gonna come. You see, I don't wanna wait for your love. 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 It's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your door, and still I can love some more. Ooh boy, isn't really you wanna know now? For us to love some more. In life I know that there's a lot of grief, but your love is my relief. Tears in my eyes, but tears in my eyes, but while I'm waiting for return. See, I don't wanna wait for your love. 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 Sabay-sabay tayo! Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng alay. Maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isagaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Oh yeah, kayo naman! Here we go! Yun, ang hina. Si Kuya! Yeah! Oy, timing na timing! Kapayapaan! Kapayapaan! Oh yeah! That's it! I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait in vain. Yan! Nasobrahan ang isa. Thank you so much. Yan. Ooh. Siguro mamaya ang payat ko na pagkatapos nito. Siyang daw si Andre, Chasing Cars. Sino po gusto makijam hanggat tayo lang muna na dito mamaya pag may program na. Yan. Para kay Mama Bon na yung gabi na to. Yes.